Next, we're going to talk about Lifo. Lifo. And Lifo, as you know, is an acronym, yet another acronym. It's technically almost the opposite of FIFO. And Lifo basically means last in, first out. Okay? And so using the same logic as we would for FIFO, and we had this imaginary inventory list, last in, first out, our cost of goods sold would always start from the what? Bottom, because it's the last thing that was purchased. Whereas that'll leave our ending inventory always sitting at the what? Top. Last in, first out, selling this, keeping this. First in, first out, selling this, keeping this. The exact opposite, right? So, let's begin. Always start with the cost of goods sold first. And again, we're going to move. We still, even though we're practicing FIFO, we're going to move in a chronological fashion. So we're going to go with our first sale, very first sale. Our very first sale was how many units? 6 units. Very first sale was 6 units, okay? And we're practicing FIFO. So as of on the 3rd, listen to me carefully. As of on the 3rd, what's the last thing that we purchased? The correct answer would be these units. What? But wait. Why are we going to the last thing that we purchased? Because we are on the 3rd, and none of this exists right now. So as of on the 3rd, the last thing we purchased was actually what? 4 units. So we're going to identify those 4 units at a cost of $3. How many more units are we looking for out of that sale? 2 left. We are right here. And where's the only other place as of the 3rd that we can get those from? Those 2 units from? Beginning inventory, because none of the other ones exist. So we only need 2 units at beginning inventory, and the 2 units at beginning inventory cost us $2. We've taken care of the 6 units now. We can go on to the next sale, second sale, which happens to be how many units? 7. So now we're all the way down here. And you have to ask yourself, what's the last thing we purchased since the 5th? Obviously, it will be the purchase right up top of it on the 4th. So those are 5 units. We sold all 5 of those units at $4. How many units do we have left out of that sale of 7? 2. We're still right here. We're still right here. And we're looking for 2 left. We already sold 5 out of there, so where are the other 2 coming from? Are they coming from this purchase here? 4 at 3? No. We already sold them. So where they have to come from? Beginning inventory. So 2 units from beginning inventory at $2. And now we have successfully looked for those total 7 units. So now we can calculate our total cost of goods sold, multiplying these numbers out. And dividing them. Multiplying these numbers out and dividing them. Adding them up. So that will be 24. That will be 12. And 4, that's 26. 24, 26. Let's see. That's 24, and that's 16. 24 and 16 is 40. Right? 24 and 16 is 40, right? I need a calculator. And so our cost of goods sold is going to be the 40. Our cost of goods sold is going to be the 40. Now, we need to calculate our ending inventory. And again, we are practicing Lifo. So our ending inventory always starts from the what? Top. Ending inventory always starts from the top. And so we will always have 7 units left in ending inventory based on our calculation over here. And so now we need to start from the top to find out where our 7 units are. So we start at beginning inventory. Originally we had 10 at $2. But how many have we sold so far at $2? We sold 2 at $2 right here. Then we sold another 2 at $2 right here. So we technically sold what? 4. So how many we have left? 6. So 6 units is left at ending inventory at $2. And we have 1 more unit left. And where's that 1 unit going to be, guys? Very last purchase. Very last purchase at $5. So as we can see, our cost of goods sold was $40. And the cost of our ending inventory happens to be $17. A big difference from FIFO. Okay? Any questions about that? If not, email me.